Sounds so easy. Once you take it out, all you gotta do is stick it back in, same way you took it out.
I know, right? See, me, I'd have gave up because I don't do well with putting things together.
I mean, once you gotta keep, you know. After a while, you'll get it once you figure it out. Having problems trying to tuck in there. So
That where?
This thing right here, this is the only thing I'm having problems with. So I just gotta figure out. Gotta get it all up in there.
I'm done with school.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hi.
What are y'all in here doing?
We're singing some songs.
Yana singing. Mommy, can I have my tablet?
No.
What can I have?
What can you have?
Yeah.
I'll give you a treat. You know what the treat is?
Mhm. What kind of?
I'll let you watch TV.
Yay!
He's like, that'll work.
Mom, if I won't eat this long.
Yeah, what was singing? That's okay. You can just throw it away. Because you just dropped it.
You do it.
Yeah, why can't you do it?
Mommy. Mommy, I want to
Mommy, baby, what was you doing?
Mommy, I want to lollipop.
She was dancing to my music.
And she
What
was
were you
watching-
doing?
I was watching videos on my phone.
Pop? What's that? Oh, a lollipop?
Yeah.
That's what you.
Mommy, I want to.
That's what you had?
I want a lollipop.
No. Not right now.
Trash is trash.
You put it in the trash. Good job.
Trash.
Yeah, good job.
I see put on the floor. I put on the floor.
Who did that? Who did that?
Zari did that. Zari did that. Zari screamed.
You can't come there with me. Stop trying to take their toys out of there. Stop trying to take their toys out of there. You know, I thought
No,
that's what
Mommy,
they
I
were
can
doing.
really whistle. Mommy!
That's not whistling, that's a bird.
Let me see. Do it again. No, that's squealing. Let me see. Do it again. Really? Make a long sound like that. Let me see.
Mom, say that in the mouth.
Sounds like a whistle, but really? Well, I can't whistle, but your father can. Yeah, your father knows how to whistle.
Me too.
Really? That's not whistling. Stop, yeah? Get down from there. Get down from there. Give her water.
Whistling is air.
Whistle.
You almost had me there.
Or a door.
It's a mallet.
Windows. It's a mallet.
It's a mallet.
Well, what's the two when it's upside down when it lights the window?
It looks like a hammer.
No. No, what's back the window like? A trash. What?
You threw it in the trash? Good job. So what my husband's doing is trying to fix this boot on this washer so that it can stop leaking out water. I have a whole video, but I'll show y'all that another time. Instead of spending all that money for a new one, he just replaced it. Cool. And it's done. I hope it doesn't leak any water anymore after this.